Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the music to your Aura digital frame in 2026. Now on your Aura digital frame, there is no built-in support for the background music. Aura frames are basically designed only for displaying the photos and the short videos. So you can't directly add or play the music like a slideshow with sound. So if you were trying to add the music normally, the thing is that as of 2026, it will not work. However, there is a one workaround that you can use. What you can do is you can just simply upload a video that already has music in it. And when the video plays on the frame, the sound will play as well. This is the only way to hear the audio on a Aura frame. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions regarding this, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.